So you're gonna do your
Well, I auditioned, and she's seen my resume, and she's got my headshots and everything. Not a whole lot to put here because not really much opportunity. It's my resume.
Oh, I see. I think we have the same qualification.
Yeah, it'd be good to have more experience if they give me a chance.
Yeah,
hopefully.
that's good for you, you know.
Yeah. How about you?
I'm gonna do the same thing as you. Look, I went to in
Wow.
Hollywood.
Import model? I guess it qualifies.
All right, John?
Hi.
John?
Yes, hi.
Hi there. So, just taking a look at your resume and your headshots and also your screen test. I mean, you were very, very talented. I've got to say, wow. It's just that you aren't really the right look for this film. You know what I mean? Like,
Oh, yeah, this is The Last Samurai, Part 2.
I mean, you aren't Asian enough, nor are you white enough. I mean, it's just
Who's got the lead?
Tom Cruise.
I'm more Asian than Tom Cruise is.
I'm aware, but I just to our viewers, you won't really look Japanese. You know what I mean?
Like they can tell the difference.
I mean, do you know Kung Fu?
No, but I can learn. You don't train Tom Cruise for this.
Can you do an accent?
With the proper training, I'm sure I can do a Japanese accent. Or even if I hack it, this is amazing.
I'm sorry. It's not me. It's the producers. It's the company. It's Paramount and them. I'm sorry. You're just not good looking.
That's it. I'm pirating all their DVDs.
Jesus. Joanna?
Hello.
So, we looking at screen test.
I like.
Yes.
Very good.
And headshots. All very good. You very good actress. Yes.
Very good.
You have exotic features. Yes. Exotic. Very ethnic, and you will appeal. Yes.
Very good.
I know you don't speak much English. No English, but that's okay. No English, okay. You don't really have to speak much.
I know.
You stand there, look pretty. All you do, you get paid good. Okay. Very good. All right, now, questions. You don't speak English. That's okay. Will you do nudity? Very good. All right. We will call you, us, phony you. Yes. 6 weeks, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6 weeks. We shoot. You shoot. No. Shoot film. We like
Screens.
yes. Screen. Okay, we like you very much.
You like.
We like.
Oh, you
okay? Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.